Hey, it's Angel here again. I just wanted to do a video on how to create a party today. So we're gonna go to 31today.ca and I will show you step by step. So I haven't signed in, but usually we'll prompt you to sign in. Put your ID number and your password. And then over here you go to virtual office on the left hand side. And then up here you're gonna see parties. So you're gonna push the open parties button. And then you're gonna see this little pink button that says new party. So let's click on that to create a party. Okay. And then you're gonna enter the name of your party. So let's do Julie's Fall 31 party. Okay, you can or you don't have to put a description. It's up to you. You can put the type of party. This also doesn't really matter. The date of the party is basically the time frame that it's going to appear on the website. So if I have a party on September 10th and I think I want to keep it open till the 30th, I just put the 30th, okay? And then so you're going to put your hostess name. So let's do let's just put my name, but you should always put somebody else's name just for tax purposes. Because at the end of the year this will show up on your T4, and if you well, you don't want it to show up on your T4 because then you're gonna end up paying more taxes. So always put a hostess name, even if it's just your mother or your husband. Okay, so there we go. I put everything in here and then I just press save and continue. And here is my party. So this is the about section. So you can change everything here that you already selected if you want. You can click show on your site. You can do ship to hostess or direct ship. I usually do direct ship only in case somebody orders on my site. They just ship to their door instead of ours. It's the same price as $12 to their door or $12 to ours. Okay, so here we go. So the party name and then the address, and then we've got a party invitation here. You don't have to worry about that right now. Anyway, so then here you can click hostess. Just do leave, go to hostess, and it gives you all the hostess info here, okay? If you want to, let's say you finished your party at $1,000, and you want your hostess to go shopping now, you just press send, and it's going to send her a link for her to go shopping for all her hostess rewards. Alright, and then guest list invitations, I never really bother with that. But you can check it out if you want. So orders, this is where all your orders is going to be, okay? So you've got guests and hostesses. Make sure that your orders go under guests, okay? If it's a guest order, put it under guests. A lot of people make that mistake and just put it as a hostess order, and then they don't know why it's not working at the end. Okay, so I'm going to place the first order and I'll show you exactly how that works. Okay, so you put everything, the information in here, or actually, you know what I always do to save people shipping is bulk order. So I do bulk orders a lot. I put like 5 or 6 people in the same order and I just charge $2 shipping instead of $12. So that's a really good idea to also get more orders because people don't want to pay $12. So here we go. Let's just do the essential storage tote. If you want to shop for more items, you can go here and pick whatever you want, or if you know the name, you can search the products. Anyway, so there's 2 for $60. I'm gonna do the llama one and the Moroccan tile. So add to cart, or you can also personalize, so it's up to you. Okay, so we're just gonna add to cart. Alrighty, so view cart, and then here, because I spent $60, I have one special at half off. So always use up your specials, ladies. Don't let them go to special heaven, because that's just mean. You don't want someone to miss out on 50% off. So this one I can get it at 22 since it's 44. So I'm gonna click on the zip top utility tote, and I'm gonna add it to my cart. And there we go, it's at $22. So never miss out on a special. Alrighty, so now I want to check out. So I'm gonna begin checkout down here, and then I'm just gonna double check my info. So it's a bulk order, it's going to my email. You can also edit the email or change it if you want your hostess or your customer to get the email. Yeah, and then so just scroll down here. You can either ship to hostess or direct ship. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Direct ship, it's going somewhere else, or you can also put your address in there. Hostess, it's going to your place, but I like to close orders right away. So as soon as my order is ready, I do direct ship, and it ships right now. And then you enter the payment down here, and then your on file card should be there, or your guest credit card, or you can enter your own credit card right here. Okay, and then after all that is done, submit order, and out it goes. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.